And the name of the poem is No Men Are Foreign. Now you might be thinking, what is the meaning of no men are foreign? क्योंकि for us, a person is foreigner because he or she is living in another land. हमारे लिए कौन फॉरेनर है? वो हर एक इंसान जो श्रीलंका रहता है, मतलब ना, हमारे लिए फॉरेनर का मतलब हो जाता ओ a person who is living in US, a person who is living in UK, right? Yesterday there was a match, New Zealand. I think you might have seen, some of you might have watched it,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
And we all saw that India had been defeated in this match. Okay, no props. Nothing was sports के अंदर जीतना और हारना, it's okay. You cannot always expect to be the winner. And this I always tell everyone, specifically like my daughter, she is very much particular कि अगर उसके 1%, 1 mark भी कम हो जाएंगे ना, तो वो she will become restless. And I always, once it happened so, and it's reality. Once it happened so कि she used to participate in all the curricular activities. I used to take her everywhere. I never left her anything. I used to say, just participate. Not because you're going to be a winner, just because you will be able to understand what are the things. तो एक बहुत बड़ा आर्ट कंपटीशन होता था योजना विहार के अंदर, बाल प्रतिभा कला। उसके अंदर क्या था कि जो टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया के जो मेन कार्टूनिस्ट थे, सुधीर तलंग, ही यूज्ड टू कम एंड गिव द प्राइज. दैट वाज ऑन ओनली ऑन 26 Jan. अभी मुझे नहीं पता whether it is there or not, but it used to be every year. तो मैं, as I was in योजना विहार ब्रांच ओनली, तो आई केम टू नो. तो एक बार तो मैं स्कूल की तरफ से लेकर गई थी, but then the next time we did not go from the school side. I took her from my own side as a mother. So that 2 years she was winner. Third year she was not the winner. Now she was very much, बहुत दुखी हुई कि I'm not the winner, मतलब cheating हुई है, this and that. And I told her that when you are participating in a competition, you should always take this with you, that whether you are in academic, non-academic, anywhere, हमेशा आप फर्स्ट आओगे ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं होता है. तो it is nothing if you have got, if you did not get any prize, it's okay. We are not telling you to get prizes. We don't want anything to be decked here. We want you should participate, you should concentrate. Next year, she was again the winner. When हम किसी competition को लेते हैं तो हमारे साथ दिमाग में क्या आना चाहिए? That we are participating. We are only fighting for that sports. तो कल जब when India was defeated, not many were, definitely Indian team was disappointed. That was okay. But they were not that much disappointed जितना कि जब पाकिस्तान के साथ हुआ तो everyone was boiling. In fact, when Pakistan was playing, I don't watch match very frankly, I'm telling you. I sit here, जो मैच देख रहा होता तो कान में तो सुनाई देता. Normally I'm checking the papers at that moment और कुछ और काम कर रही होती. And when Pakistan was playing, so they were playing very well. So I told that ki yes, they are playing very well and they are going to win the match. It's not. तो my daughter was teasing me कि मम्मा पहले मैं नानी से पूछ कर आती हूँ, कभी आप पाकिस्तानी थे, बाद में आपने कभी इंडियन से शादी कर ली. I said, no बेटा, it's not like कि I'm Pakistani or I'm Indian, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. They are playing well, that's the only thing. और वो प्ले कोई भी करेगा भाई मेरे लिए. If I scold in all of you, if you are absent, आप में से सबसे कम जो एब्सेंट होता है वो सना, शौमिली और गौनिक है. दे आर द लीस्ट, और अभिमन्या. तो आई नॉर्मली उनको मैं कभी कुछ भी नहीं बोलती हूँ. आप पूछो उन लोगों से, मैंने कभी पूछा हो. हाँ, शौमिली उस दिन नहीं थी तो मैंने पूछा एनीथिंग. अदरवाइज नॉर्मली आई नो दैट दे आर वेरी रेगुलर, और कभी उनको इक्का दुक्का, कभी इफ दे हैव टेकन एनी हॉलीडे ऑल्सो, देन आई नो दैट दे आर हैविंग. और एल्स आई ऑलवेज टेल द स्टूडेंट्स हु आर एब्सेंट, मैं उनसे बोलती हूँ फॉर मी ऑल ऑफ यू आर इक्वल. एंड अगर आप में से कोई अच्छा करता है तो दैट्स माई मुझे अच्छा लगता है. सो वी शुड नॉट कीप द एनिमिटी. स्पोर्ट्स is just a sports. They were also players. Indian team was also player. हमारे इंडियन टीम में भी प्लेयर्स थे. They have won the World Cup also, and the same team has sometimes being defeated also. It's okay. It's a game. It's a sports. We must understand that ये भी इंसान है, वो भी इंसान है. And the theme of this poem, No Men Are Foreign, जो है, basically it is for the soldiers. But what it mean to say is that हम लोग अपनी enmity में, अपने दुश्मनी में, we feel that the person who is in the other country, the enemy country, they are all our enemy. All the foreigners are our enemy. यहाँ जो foreigners हैं, they are not the people. Here they are for the people, the soldiers. But what the poet wants to advocate is, we all are human beings. We all have the same body. क्या जो दुश्मन है उसके क्या अलग अलग सींगे हैं? नो, उनकी भी वही शक्ल है जैसे हमारी है. वही 2 eyes, 2 ears, 1 nose, 1 lips, the same body they are having. They are also eating the same kind of food what we are eating. They are not different species. They are humans. They also need the same thing what we need: food, water, shelter. If it is cold, we require shelter from cold. If it is hot, we require shelter from heat. That's all they also require. And अगर लड़ाइयाँ नहीं होती हैं, if there is no war, they will also be doing the same thing, harvesting their crops, doing the work. But we have been taught, हमें क्या सिखाया जाता है? वो पाकिस्तानी है, वो चीनी है, वो दुश्मन कंट्री है. We are taught to hate. We are taught to hate each other. What he says, what the poet wants to say is that it's not, the boundaries have not been created by God. God ने कोई बाउंड्री नहीं क्रिएट की है. ये बाउंड्री किसने क्रिएट की थी? ये इंडिया है, ये पाकिस्तान है. द 2 nation theory was propounded by मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना. जब आप हिस्ट्री में पढ़ोगे, दैट इज इन योर यूरोप. अभी हम लोग जैसे वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट रशिया पढ़ रहे हैं. इन 10th standard you will study about द नेशन फॉर्मेशन ऑफ जर्मनी, इटली, फ्रांस, ये बाउंड्रीज हमने बनाई थी। यहां के बाद तुम हो, तुम्हारा पाला, यहां के बाद हमारा पाला। गॉड डिड नॉट मेक एनी काइंड ऑफ बाउंड्री। In fact, we humans have polluted this nation, the environment, the air. We have shed the blood of our brothers. जब खून किसी का भी बहता है on the border, it is only a human's blood which is shed. खून पे लिखा नहीं होता कि I am this. So through this poem, he wants to evoke. He wants to evoke यूनिवर्सल ब्रदरहुड। वो चाहते हैं कि हम लोग एक दूसरे को समझें, एक दूसरे के साथ भाईचारे के साथ रहें। वी मस्ट प्रमोट ब्रदरहुड। वी आर नॉट killing each other, but we are actually killing this earth. When we say we are defiling the earth, हम अर्थ को खराब कर रहे हैं, तो हम किसको खराब कर रहे हैं? खुद को, एक दूसरे को। So that is why he says, do not think anyone as enemy. Do not indulge in war, because we all are same in one or the other ways. हम लोग सब एक जैसे हैं। So that is the summary. No men are foreign. I'm sharing the book. If you have, it is better you can open it. Have you opened it? If you have,
Yes, ma'am.
सच्ची में?
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए, if you look into the box, first of all you will see, have you ever thought of some people as strange? Or other countries as foreign? Foreign means alien, something different. आपके जो बेटा बुक्स है उसमें है, पेपर में, these kinds of words can come. Alien means completely different. We have many ways of thinking other people's as different from us as them. मतलब हम खुद को उनसे अलग अलग सोचते हैं. Why? They are living in different countries. They speak a different language. The poet reminds us of the many ways in which we are all the same and for we all human. First, I'm explaining with this book, then I'll help you out in the poetic devices, right? Remember, no men are strange, no countries foreign. Means he is giving us a rhetorical question. He is giving us a warning कि याद रखो that we may belong to another country, but we all are same. He is trying to remove the border, जो borders है, from the earth. Because अगर border है तो country foreign भी है. We all are living on the same earth. Beneath all uniforms. Beneath all the uniforms, here it is for the soldiers. A single body breathes like ours. The land our brothers walk upon is earth like this, in which we all shall lie. वो कहते हैं कि जिसमें जो वो कपड़े पहनते हैं, द डिफरेंट यूनिफॉर्म्स द सोल्जर्स दे आर वेयरिंग, जो उन्हें अलग बना देता है. ये यूनिफॉर्म इज ऑफ इंडिया, दैट यूनिफॉर्म इज ऑफ पाकिस्तान, दैट यूनिफॉर्म. Beneath all the uniform, we all are having the same body. God has made us all the same. We are breathing. The land our brothers walk upon is earth like this. Means we all walk upon the same mother earth, in which we all shall lie. एक दिन हम सब इसी अर्थ के नीचे, we all will be buried. The earth is not our property. This is the boundary that has been created by the humans. And one day we all will lie under this earth in the grave. Second, he says, they. Yahan the they is the people who are belonging to other countries. They are aware of sun and air and water. Means हम उनको foreigners कह रहे हैं. But the nature has given the same sun. The same sun shines on that land. The same air is there on that land, and the same water bodies are there on that land. In India, Brahmaputra comes into Assam, but Brahmaputra is part of China as Sangpo. The river Indus, which drains into Pakistan, that has its distributaries in India as Ravi, Satluj, Jhelum, Chenab. वही rivers है. So the water that they consume is the same, the air that we breathe is the same, the sun shines all over is the same. They are fed by peaceful harvest, by war's long winter starve. This is one of the most important line of this poem. What did he mean to say is that if there is no war, if there is no war, they would also be harvesting the fields. They would also be living a relaxed life. And what he says is that we starve by war, long winter starved, मतलब when there is war तो लोग भूखे मर जाते हैं. Similarly, when there is grim winter, then also the harvest is low. और ये उनके साथ भी ऐसा ही होता है. Even they don't get the food at that time. Means अगर हमारे यहाँ पर ऐसा है, उनके यहाँ पर भी वैसा ही है. The sun, the air, the water, the winter, the summer knows no boundary. Their hands are ours. This is metaphor. Their hands are ours मतलब उनके हाथ हमारे नहीं है. Their hands are ours का मतलब उनके हाथ भी हमारे जैसे ही हैं. They also work hard. And in their lines, उनकी हाथों में जो lines होती हैं, रेखाएं होती हैं, we read a labor not different from our own. They also do the same kind of hard work that we do. He is giving all the examples that if you look into their hands, it will look like our own hands. उनकी भी हाथों में वही रेखाएं हैं जैसे हमारे हाथों में है. And they also work hard like what we do. In another word, they are same. Remember, they have eyes like ours that wake or sleep, and strength that can be won by love. कहते हैं देखिए, जैसे हमारे आंखें हैं, God has given us the eyes. And what do we do with our eyes? We dream, we see, we wake up, we sleep. वो लोग क्या करते हैं? The one जिनको हम foreigners बुला रहे हैं, same thing they are also doing. And strength that can be won by love. What is it is said, अगर आप किसी को win कर सकते हो ना, it is not with power, with arms, but with love. Mahatma Gandhi propagated satyagraha, ahimsa. Most of our leaders, our freedom fighters, all propagated peace. If you want to win someone, it's not fight. It is your love. In every land is common life that all can recognize and understand. What he wants to say is, life means everyone. We all can. That all can recognize means everyone, all of us, wherever we are living, irrespective of the nation's name that we attach to ourselves. हम अपने आप को अलग अलग नेशन के नाम से बुलाते हैं. That's he is French, he is German, he is Australian. लेकिन सबका लैंड तो वही है. And all of us can understand, all of us can realize that we all are same. In every land is common life. यहाँ पर जो life है means all the things that are living. The plants, the species, animals, the flora, the fauna. Every land has got the same thing. It's common for every land. You will find the trees. Maybe the trees are different because of the region, but you will find those trees. You can find the species. and we all can recognize, we all can understand that we all are similar. Let us remember, when we are told to hate our brothers, means when the people, कौन बोलता है हमें? The politicians, the people who want to divide us, the people who want to create hatred, वो हमें बोलते हैं that hate that person. Hate that person because he belongs to another country. Think that he is your enemy. It is ourselves. हम किसी और को हेट नहीं कर रहे क्योंकि वो भी तो हमारे जैसे हैं, तो हम तो खुद को हेट कर रहे हैं. We are not cheating others, we are not hating others, we are hating ourselves. क्योंकि अगर हम ह्यूमैनिटी को हेट कर रहे हैं तो हम खुद को भी हेट कर रहे हैं. He says we must not, that we shall disposes, betray, condemn, means ये जो हम दूसरों को नफरत से देखते हैं. बिट्रे मतलब चीट करते हैं, इग्नोर करते हैं, वो हम खुद को कर रहे हैं. रिमेंबर वी who take arms against each other. We must remember that when we are taking the arms, we are taking against each other. If we think that they are our brothers, we would never take. If we think that they are also humans, we would never take. Because when there is a war, there is only one thing, and that is loss. कंट्री कोई भी जीतेगी, लॉस ह्यूमंस का होता है. सोल्जर्स किसी भी देश के मरते हैं, डेथ इंसान का होता है. सो वी मस्ट remember that before taking the arms, and that is why he does not favor war. In fact, what he says is that when we pick up the arms, it is the human earth that we defile. Defile मतलब गंदगी मचाना, dirty कर देना. That is because when we kill others, the earth is bloodshed. Our hells of fire and dust. Fire and dust का मतलब है आपके आर्म्स. जब आप गोली बारूद यूज करते हो तो that outrages the innocence of air, means that pollutes the entire air, that impure, that makes the air impure. हम अपने गुस्से में पूरे की पूरी जमीन ब्लड से और उस मिट्टी के धुएं से आसमान को भी गंदा कर देते हैं, और ये वही एयर है जिसको हम ब्रीथ करते हैं. So he says, remember, no men are foreign and no country is strange. Means he is using the same जो starting में उसने first line में use किया है, the same he has used, that हम में से कोई भी जो है, we are not foreigners, we are not from another planet, we are from the same planet, and we must understand that we are not hating others, but we are hating ourselves. हम खुद को ही जो है नफरत करते हैं. That is what in the very beginning I said, that when we, yes, we have created the boundaries, हमने boundaries create किए हैं. Our soldiers who lay their lives in the border, वो इसी बॉर्डर को, वो जो हमने किया है ना, उसी को बेचारे देखने के लिए दे lose their lives. But if we preach brotherhood, अगर हम एक दूसरे के लिए भाईचारा रखें, then what will happen? We can live together. And it is not that I'm talking about our country. No. Everywhere it is there. We had gone somewhere. So there were some people, some fight was, some kind of argument was there in the lift. And there was one person, I don't know from which country he was. तो एक हमारे साथ में एक there was one uncle who was he was quite old. He abused him that you are an Indian. और जब हम कहीं बाहर की कंट्रीज में जाते हैं तो वहां जाकर अगर हमें कोई बोलता है ना तो बहुत ही बुरा लगता है. अपनी कंट्री में तो हम चाहे कितनी मर्जी अपने आप को डांट लगाते रहे, वी में से एवरीथिंग, इंडिया में ये नहीं है वो नहीं है, बट somebody else says, then we are not able to. And this is how we all keep this enmity in ourselves. It's not about our country, it's not about another country. Means we must understand that everyone is same, and कुछ चीजों को we must appreciate. They are also humans, we are also humans. We have a very beautiful chapter in class 12 on the same concept. But it's not about the foreigner, it is about a doctor who saves the life of a prisoner of war. वो वॉर का प्रिजनर होता है तो वो उसकी जान बचा देता है. बट जो उसके घर में नौकर होते हैं, जो कि सर्वेंट्स होते हैं, दे आर नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड. उनको लगता है कि जो उनका डॉक्टर है, ही इज वेरी, उसको बहुत ज्यादा जो है एटीट्यूड है, बिकॉज ही हैड स्टडीड इन अमेरिका, इसलिए उसको शायद अमेरिकन से बहुत प्यार है. उसको ऐसा लगता है. सो व्हेन वो अपनी बात को समझा नहीं पाता, दैट डॉक्टर इज नॉट एबल टू मेक देम अंडरस्टैंड कि ही इज अ डॉक्टर, एंड बीइंग अ डॉक्टर, it was his duty to save them. But लोगों को ऐसा ही लगता है, when we are talking about such things, तो लोगों को लगता है कि no, the person was wrong, he should not have saved, he was our enemy. और उस चैप्टर का नाम भी बहुत ही the unique name, enemy. So through this poem, James Crupp want to advocate brotherhood. He wants that we should understand that we all are living on the same land. We have demarcated it. इसको तो हमने बना दिया है, ये आपका है, ये मेरा है. The Almighty has not given us. हमें ऊपर से टुकड़ा डाला नहीं था कि ये तुम्हारा इंडिया है, ये तुम्हारा फ्रांस है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं डाला था. This we have done it. And the people living in another land also have the same characteristics. They also have the same emotions. So we must keep brotherhood for each other. Now I am explaining the poetic devices. I would request everyone to note it down. In all the lines you can see that the poet has not used any kind of punctuation. तो सबसे पहले तो आपका आता है enjambment. Enjambment का मतलब होता है बेटा जो आपकी अगले अगली लाइन है, जैसे इस वाले लाइन में आपका कॉमा है, इस वाले में आपका फुल स्टॉप है, बट इसके अंदर कुछ नहीं है, इसमें कुछ नहीं है, इसमें कुछ नहीं है, इसमें कुछ नहीं है. So when the lines are moved without any punctuation mark, so we call it as enjambment. In this, body breaths which we, the letters are repeated. Alliteration. Are you noting down side by side?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Pragya beta.
Ma'am, in third paragraph, there are also enjambment, na?
Yeah, I'm doing it. Enjambment is there in the entire poem, in fact.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, beta.
Ma'am, here assonance is written here for what?
I'm telling you. I'll be. See, we shall disposes में e betray, e condemn, e. They are all the what we call as the vowels have been repeated.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Here also brothers walk upon the vowel o is repeated. In the entire poem, remember has been used 5 times. It has been used here. Remember, 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 remember. 5 times it has been used. So repetition of remember is there. The poem doesn't have any rhyme scheme like A B B. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. It's a free verse. There is no rhyming scheme. Then we have alliteration. The letters have been repeated like in body breaths, sleep and strength, war long winter. मतलब इसमें alliteration and metaphor दोनों है. How I'll tell. The war by war's long winter. It is also alliteration And it is also a metaphor because यहाँ पर ये जो लिखा है are fed by peaceful harvest, by war's long winter starved. It has got separate meaning also. And when we talk about transferred starvation, यहाँ पर क्यों लिखा हुआ है? Why we have used starvation? Means when people are hungry, and that can be due to war also, and it can be due to winter also. And when say peaceful harvest, harvest is noun and peaceful is adjective. और जब यहां पर कोई इमोशन को बताया, यहां पर पीसफुल तो इंसान होता है, हार्वेस्ट पीसफुल कैसे हो सकता है? द हार्वेस्ट कैन नॉट बी पीसफुल, हम पीसफुल होते हैं. सो यहां पर पीसफुल हार्वेस्ट मतलब व्हेन देयर इज नो शॉर्टेज, व्हेन देयर इज नो वॉर, व्हेन देयर इज नो वायलेंस. सो इट हैज बीन यूज्ड एज एन इनर मीनिंग. That is why it is called as transferred epithet. Transferred epithet is a rhetorical device. जब हम नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स को इमोशंस देते हैं, अगर हम नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स को ही या शी बुलाते हैं तो वो पर्सोनिफिकेशन है, लेकिन अगर हम उसको इमोशन देते हैं तो वो ट्रांसफर्ड एपिथेट कहलाता है. सो हियर इट इज ट्रांसफर्ड एपिथेट. Then they have eyes like ours. Simile. Then enjambment has been used in the first and third paragraph. And जो पहली लाइन है, remember no men are strange, no countries foreign, has been repeated in the last. और जब कोई लाइन को दो बार रिपीट करते हैं आफ्टर अ पैराग्राफ या फिर स्टार्टिंग में और एंडिंग में, हम उसको रेफरेन कहते हैं. मतलब दैट इज अ पोएटिक डिवाइस. जैसे आपने देखा होगा गाना जब आता है तो जो पहली लाइन होती है वो एंड में दोबारा से आती है. दैट इज रेफरेन. Our hells of fire and dust. It has been used for the weapons, the dust, pollution, उसके लिए यूज हुआ है. And the sound of O has been used in a labor not different from our own में यूज हुआ है. Disposes, betray, condemn में E has been used. So that's आपका assonance. So these are some of the what we call as poetic devices of this poem.
Excuse me, ma'am.